I have two 5-ounce cans of tuna in water, which I drained in here. I'm going to add a tablespoon of parsley, a tablespoon of chopped pickle, a tablespoon of chopped red or purple onion. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of pickle juice to this, a teaspoon of Dijon, I'm gonna do a little lemon, lime zest. You can do lemon. And I'm going to squeeze in half of that lime in here. Salt and pepper. Don't go too crazy on the salt because we're gonna put cheese in here, and you also have the mayo and the mustard in there, okay? And the pickle. We have a yummy tuna salad here. I have a tablespoon of butter in this little bowl. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of mayonnaise. And I'm just gonna make a paste out of this. Butter, by the way, was at room temperature, okay? I'm gonna use sourdough for my sandwich. Use whatever bread you want. And I'm going to spread that butter on one side of each one of these. Spread it well, okay? We want this to grill nice. So I got this griddle from Marquette Castings. It's very beautiful. Look, it's got the grill side on here and the flat side on this. It is really heavy. Thank you, Marquette Castings. I'm gonna include a discount code at the bottom of the video here in the description box if you're interested in buying anything from them. They have these griddles, they have grills, and they have some beautiful Dutch oven pots. All right, we're gonna heat our griddle, but we don't want it to get really, really hot, okay? I want my bread to burn. I want it to toast slowly and be nice and crunchy. One thing, these are good for the oven up to 500 degrees, guys, but they do take a long time to cool down because they're very heavy and thick. So please, if you get one of these, don't pick it up after you're done cooking without gloves. You will burn yourself. Plus, let it cool down completely before you wash it. And you can wash this with soap and water according to the manufacturer. We're gonna let this take its time. We're gonna cook it slow. I'm gonna spread tuna on top. You can make this covered, which I am, or you can make it open-faced. It's up to you guys, okay? I'm gonna add pickled jalapeños that are sliced to this. Absolutely optional, but I just like the spice. And now I'm just gonna top this with shredded cheddar cheese. I'm gonna cover this so that the cheese melts. It's still on relatively low heat, okay? Good looking sandwich. Check it out. Oh my gosh, the bread is grilled perfectly. I can't wait to taste this. I cut my sandwich in two, as you can see. The moment of truth. Wow, this is pretty special, guys. That tuna is perfect with all the things we put in it. The cheese on top adds so much, and that bread is grilled to perfection. Yummy. Please like, share, and comment, and thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.